Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to change username in Kick. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to know that Kick does not allow username edits within the mobile app or desktop client. You need to use a web browser to change your username. So first of all, you need to simply tap on your profile and go to your settings option. Once you're in the settings option, you can simply tap on the option called username. So once you scroll down and find the username option, you can simply find the edit option right over there. So simply tap on the edit option and you can edit your username that way. However, you need to first of all enable a two-factor authentication to do so. You need to go to your profile setting and find two-factor authentication and follow the instructions to do it. Now in a browser, you need to simply edit your username, but you need to first of all activate this two-factor authentication, and once it is done, you are all set to go. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.